everyone, welcome back to Graceful Beauty. My name is Sherry. Today I thought I would share with you my skincare tools and different devices that I use on my skin for anti-aging, or I like to say aging gracefully. Skinstore, the company Skinstore.com, I've shopped with them for many years, and a while back they had reached out to me and asked if they could send me some products and if I'd be interested in testing some things out and doing a review, which I thought was really nice since I shop on their website all the time. But they also gave a 25% discount code for you guys. Now this video is not sponsored. The links that I will use, they are affiliate links, meaning I do make a small commission. A few of them I purchased myself even a couple years ago, but I did actually buy them at Skinstore. If you're not already subscribed to my channel but you would like to be, don't forget to look down below and tap on that subscribe button. And if you do like this video, I hope you'll give it a thumbs up. The very first product that I want to share with you, this is one that I purchased maybe 2 years ago, but I purchased it at Skinstore when they were having a sale. This is the NuFace Trinity device, and I have shared a few videos on me using this. I actually have not used this for about a year because, long story short, it broke. Then I had to get a replacement from NuFace directly. And it's kind of like working out. If you stop working out, it kind of takes a lot to get back into it, but I am determined to start using this again on one side of my face, and I'm going to use something else on the other side. And I do want to do before and after photos and share those with you and see what the results are. I actually really love the NuFace device. They say that if you use it, like, I think you have to use it almost daily for 60 days. I have another video, I'm gonna link it up here, of step-by-step how to use this. And if you use it every day, it's kind of like working out. It's a microcurrent that will help tone and lift and firm the face. It doesn't happen overnight, but I did notice really great results, especially like right here where I'm noticing a little bit of gels. Right here, I did notice just a little bit of lifting, and over time, the more I use it, the results do get better and better. So if this is a face tool that you've been eyeing for a long time and you see everybody rave about it, but you didn't want to pay full price, now you can use the 25% off discount code below. And if you just go to Skinstore's website, you just type in Sherry at the checkout, S-H-E-R-I, my name, and that will take the 25% off. Now, since I just shared the NuFace, I know I got really great results with that. This was something that they had on their website that I asked if I could try this. So I didn't pay for this. This is something they sent to me for free. This is by the brand called, I think it's Refa, I think, and if I'm saying it wrong, I totally apologize. But I mean, this was like a luxurious, beautiful box that it comes in, which I really don't care about packaging, but I just thought it was really nice. Oops. You open it, it's like a beautiful gift box. It has instructions, it has this really pretty velvet carrying bag that you can put it in. So let's just talk about the device. You guys have probably seen this, and I think this is really pricey. So I thought I want to try this and see if this really is comparable to like a NuFace microcurrent device. I have used this a few times, but I want to do the full testing. And this big sale, this device campaign that they have, is going on in the month of September. So that's why I haven't fully tested it for a good, 2 or 3 months. But I will, and I will do before and after photos, and then you guys can see for yourself which side is better, the NuFace or this. I will do another video eventually. I mean, look how, it's just beautiful just looking at it. It looks like 2 disco balls on the end. So basically all you do is you put this on your face, and I thought it was just gonna kind of be like a light massage. But what I noticed that it does, it almost grips the face without, stretching it. It grips it, and it actually feels like a real massage that you would get in, a med spa. And when you get that nice massage, you know how it makes your skin look more youthful and it brings the blood to the surface. But I want to read to you the claims. And by the way, my husband, he is obsessed with this. He wants me to give this to him because I oftentimes give him, well, almost every night before he goes to work. He's a firefighter. So every night before he goes to work, I give him like a nice gentle head massage, and he likes me to do his eyes and kind of do like some light lymphatic drainage. And he loves when I squeeze. I take big chunks of his face, and when I just kind of squeeze it hard, I do not like when he does that to me. But he loves when I just kind of squeeze his face and it brings the blood to the surface, and he sleeps. He's out in like seconds after I massage his face. So I wanted to try this on him, and he loved it. He'll just do it on his own face because it's not, I thought it was just like 2 balls rolling on your face, but that's not really what this does. The way these balls roll, and I'm getting makeup on it now, but the good thing is you can clean this. And I don't do this with makeup, I do it on clean skin. but the way these balls roll, it's almost like they grab the skin and they give this amazing massage, and your face just kind of tingles all over afterwards. I just want to quickly read to you a couple of the claims that their website says about this product, and we will see in about 3 months after I do one side using this and one side with my NuFace if those claims are true. I'm just reading this on my phone. On their website, it says it's a platinum coated and waterproof multi-angular roller that helps tighten and tone the look of skin from head to toe with a mild microcurrent for less visible puffiness and firmer and more contoured and rejuvenated appearance. It says you can use it on your cheeks, jawline, neck, chest, underarms, waist, and your inner thighs. On their website, it says it replicates the deep kneading technique used by professional estheticians, which help refine, firm, and tone the skin's appearance while releasing muscular tension in the face and the body. So that's probably why my husband loves it, because it does kind of mimic that gentle kneading that helps, you know, bring the blood to the surface. As far as firming, I don't know about that. I won't know until I do a full testing with before and after photos. This says it has a solar panel embedded in the handle, which I'm assuming they're talking about this part right here. And it says it converts available light into a mild, soothing microcurrent. I don't know about that, but we're gonna find out once I test one side with this and the other side with the NuFace. I think this is really pricey. I mean, the NuFace is pricey as well, but again, I do have that 25% off discount code, but I know that the NuFace works, and the NuFace does firm my skin and lifts my skin, and it makes it look more youthful. So I wanna see if this works. If you own this device, or if you've heard of anybody use this, leave a comment down below and let me know your thoughts if you think that this works. And of course, if you own the NuFace, leave a comment down below. Let me know what your results have been. If you've used it, of course, properly. If you've only used it once a week, then you're not going to see results. But if you use it as directed, let me know, have you gotten great results with it? The next device that I love, and I use this a few times a week, this is the PMD. This is a face cleansing device, and this is made out of silicone. It's not like, Clarisonic. I used a Clarisonic for years, and those bristles, you can't really clean them, and you have to keep buying brush heads and change those out. And I think Clarisonic went out of business, or is going out of business. But I would say probably for the past year I have not used a Clarisonic. I love this silicone brush cleanser, and it's just super gentle. And then this side actually helps when you put on your serums and moisturizers. It'll help those products to penetrate even better. And it's just a really gentle vibration. I don't even know if you can hear that, but I'll put this up close. I love this device, and it has a few different settings. I just always put it on the first or second one. And then it's got this little plastic thing, I just put it in my skincare bin, but if you want to sit it on your counter, there's no cords or anything crazy. You just sit it in this cute little cup and it sits straight up. And then it's got a AA battery that comes with it, and I have not had to change this out yet. I know they say change it out every 2 months, but since I don't use this daily, I use it maybe 3 nights a week, I haven't had to change the battery yet. I got this at Skinstore quite a while ago, and again, 25% off with my discount code. They have all different colors. So if you're looking for a way to kind of take your cleansing step up to the next level, a gentle way to cleanse your face, but to deep down clean your face, if you're already using a Clarisonic, I'm telling you, I used a Clarisonic ever since it first came out. So it's been at least, 10 years? And I never wanted to try anything with these little bristles on it. This is so much better and so much more sanitary, because you can just clean this with soap and water, and you never have to keep buying brush heads over and over and over. But I have another one. So I'm not a hoarder, but on Octoly, I know I've talked about that website a lot. It's a way for, if you have a YouTube channel, you can sign up to try out products for free. And the only stipulation is that you do your review within 30 days. You can give a good or a bad review. But I wanted another one because I wanted one to keep in my travel bag, since we do travel often, and then I wanted to have one that stays put at my house. I mean, I guess I really didn't need to, but I wanted them, and so I applied to see if I could get this one. This is the same device as this, it's just a different color. So I think they're both pretty. As you can tell, I love pink and purple. Same thing, it's got the same silicone, let me move out of the way. It's got the same silicone bristles on it. And then the back side again, this side helps help your products to penetrate. So instead of using my fingers, if I want a deeper clean, especially if I've been wearing a lot of sunscreen and my pores look clogged, if I just gently do this, especially on my T-zone, sometimes I don't even use it all over my face. I just use it on my T-zone, and I'm telling you, my pores are like spotless. There's like no blackheads. It's amazing with this device. So I did not pay for this. This was gifted through Octoly, through the brand PMD. Love this. One of my favorite products. I highly recommend this, but you can get this color, I believe, on Skinstore as well. I got this from Skinstore, but I don't think Skinstore has it. I think Look Fantastic, their sister company, has this. I got this, I paid for this. Actually, it came in like a free gift when I bought something from Skinstore about a year, 2 years ago, and I never knew what it was. I thought it was just some little flowery looking device, so I kind of just sat it in my skincare bin, and I never really touched it. And then one day I was watching, maybe it's a Vogue or something. I'll link below. I'll see if I can find it. I think it was Liv Tyler is her name. Steven Tyler's daughter. She was doing her really detailed skincare routine, and I saw her pull this out, and I thought, I have that. And what she does, I'm gonna find her video and link it. I don't wanna do it now because I have makeup on, but she puts it on her face here and then rolls, well, I guess I'm doing it. And then she rolls this, and it gives you a really nice massage, like a lymphatic drainage, you know, helps bring the blood to the surface. And I'll just do it this way also, really gently. I'll do my neck, and I'll go in the upward strokes, and then I'll bring it like where my lymph nodes are, and I'll go above my ears, and then I'll pull everything back down. Of course, I don't do it over my hair, but it's just a fun little gadget. Sometimes I'll even put a face oil on, like a pumpkin seed oil, when I'm doing my double cleanse, and I'll do it that way. So that's why it's kind of stained orangey yellow, because I always put pumpkin seed oil on it. And then it's silicone, so you can just wash it off with soap and water. I love this when I wake up and I maybe had too much salt the night before, or I'm tired and my face is kind of puffy. This is great for that. So this is the other product that Skinstore sent me. Let me put it up close here. I picked this out. I asked for them to send this. This is by the brand Beauty Aura. This is their Crystal Roller and Gua Sha set. And it comes in this pretty box like this. I'm gonna end up just throwing the packaging out, but I wanted to keep it in just to show you how it comes. This is not a cheap feeling jade roller. This is like the pink quartz ones. I have a few that I've gotten off of Amazon, and they just are so lightweight, and they just don't have any weight to them. I guess if they're lightweight, that means they don't have weight to them. But anyways, this is actually a really nice quality one. Do you need one that's really nice quality like this? I don't know, maybe not. Do you really need any of these devices? Probably not. You could just maybe use your hands. But if you are looking to have some different skincare devices, these are just some of the fun things that I like to use. So this is really nice as well. It mimics that massage. It's a cold stone. I would say a rock is not really gonna do anything for anti-aging. But what it will do, it's great for that drainage, that lymphatic drainage, reduce any puffiness, bring the blood to the surface, just get things moving in our skin. This is really nice for that. But then this Gua Sha, I actually love this thing. Now I know they sell a ton of them, but I like that this comes a set of 2. And I'll just put like a cream or a serum or a light oil. I like to use this after I've cleansed my face and when I have a nice serum on, because using this also will help the serum to penetrate. But I've watched a few different videos. I mean, there's so many online. I'm not gonna do a whole tutorial on this because I'm not an expert with Gua Sha. So I just Google Gua Sha face tutorials, and I think Gotham Mista, she was the main one I watched, and hers was really nice and detailed. And then I followed some other ones, and then honestly, I just did what felt nice to my skin. I like to use this side right here and go right above my eyebrows, and just, I mean, it just, oh, it feels so good. And then sometimes I'll just put it right here, and then just kind of gently, just kind of wiggle here. That's not probably how you're even supposed to use this, but I just do what feels good. And I try to follow where all of the lymph nodes are, so that when I'm using it, of course I'm using it on a slick skin surface, when I'm using it, I'm helping just to kind of promote that drainage, the facial massage. So this is just another option, but I really liked this as well. Do you have any recommendations of any face gadgets or devices that you like? And especially with this, if you have tried this, let me know if you actually saw results, especially if you've tried the NuFace. Let me know if you've seen any similar results to the NuFace, because I'm really excited to start testing one on each side of my face. And again, if you do want to order any of these products, they offered 25% off discount code. The code is Sherry. I will link it all down below. And My code also works on a bunch of other brands on their website as well. Color Science, which I buy a lot of Color Science off of Skinstore, but maybe you're not looking for a skin device, but you're looking to save some money on some skincare. They have affordable skincare all the way up to higher end medical grade skincare, and my code does work on a lot of different brands on their website, so you might just want to go check out their website and browse around and see if there's anything that interests you. If you're not subscribed to my channel but you would like to be, don't forget to look down below and tap on that subscribe button. And if you did like this video, I hope you'll give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate each and every one of you, and I hope you have a wonderful day.